5 creative wall storage ideas using wood crate.
1. Lively cubby holes.
Small space really doesn't look great with a lot of furniture on the floor. Avail yourself of the opportunity to use wood crates for wall storage.
Mount several wood crates on the wall in a specific pattern so that it will double as wall decor.
Note that it's better if you have each crate in different color to create an intriguing look. Paint them in calming hues of grays, blues or beige to add personality and warmth to your room. These floating shelves are perfect to stash shoes, toys, bags, basically anything.
Consider this space-friendly and creative wall storage idea using wood crate for your cramped quarters.
2. Entryway shelves. Coat racks are a dime a dozen feature that greet you at pretty much every entrance.
Make use of the empty space on the wall by the door as your storage unit.
3 wooden crates will make a great 3-tiered floating shelf to store your shoes or wicker baskets. Coat the crates with soft white paint to create a harmonious look or choose dove gray, pale blue or beige for a more calming effect. 3. Wall bookshelves. Stacking your books on the table doesn't seem so neat, but buying a bookshelf isn't your option either since you don't have an extensive book collection.
What you need is a custom-made bookshelf, and it might perk you up a bit knowing that you can make 2 bookshelves with just 1 wood crate.
Simply cut a crate in half and mount each one on the wall with brackets. This is surely a no-fuss organization method that you should try. 4. Upper cabinets. If plate racks aren't appealing to you, then open wooden cabinets might be the thing you're looking for. Turn your wooden crates on their sides so that the bottom parts are attached to the wall. Secure them with nails you set into the wall or simple brackets. Install them on top of your sink or countertop for easier access when you are washing dishes. Moreover, you still have extra spots to store your cans and jars on top of the cabinets. 5. Colorful towel stowing.
Repurpose your old coffee cans as storage to hoard your combs, lotions, brushes, or your curling irons.
Pretty much everybody drinks coffee, so cabinets and drawers are sometimes very pricey, and looking at your bank account alone almost make you have a heart attack. Yet, with a simple touch and modification on wooden crates, you can create a bohemian style in your bathroom.
Adjoin 2 or more crates and anchor them to the wall or on top of your sink, and you will have your own shelves to store your towels and shower caddies.
Choose bright tones to make your bathroom fresh and colorful. If you decide to mount more than 2 shelves, arrange them in an elegant manner to create a beautiful composition so that they will be fascinating to look at.